Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Polar Flow Sync application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Polar Flow Sync application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So first, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth option. And here you should see Polar Ignite 3 on the list of devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it. And right here there should be an option called Share System Notifications. If you don't see this option, you can close the settings for now. Open the Polar Flow Sync application on the phone that is paired with your watch, on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. Tap on More, tap on Devices. On this page you should see Polar Ignite 3. Now scroll through this page and find the option called Phone Notifications. Once you see it, tap on the switch next to it to turn them on, and then wait a couple of seconds. We should get a pop-up about the permission. For some reason we didn't get it. Maybe let's try changing the status. Oh no, let's try sync the watch with our phone. So to do it, wake up the screen on the watch by pressing the side button, and then press and hold the side button. It's gonna start syncing the watch with the phone. Let's wait. And as you can see, now we have the pop-up. Once you see this pop-up, allow the permission. And now we can go back to settings. Tap on Bluetooth, select or tap on the info icon next to Polar Ignite. And now as you can see, we have the Share System Notifications option. This option needs to be enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Polar Flow Sync application on the list, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once the Bluetooth option is enabled, you can close the settings, open the Polar Flow Sync, tap on More, tap on Devices, scroll down and find the phone notifications, turn them on, and once you turn them on, you can sync the device with your phone. So wake up the screen, press and hold the button to start the syncing, and once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied and we should be able to receive the notifications. So let me check if I'm logged in into Discord, and I am. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and see if we get it on our watch. Let's wait until it's done syncing. Okay, it's done. Now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone, and if we wake up the screen on our watch and swipe up on the screen, we have it right here too. Okay, if you don't have or rather if you don't receive the notifications on your watch, make sure that the option is enabled right here and that you synced your watch with your iPhone once you enabled the option to apply the settings. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.